So today we're out here volunteering as NJHS at a rainwater harvesting event. So right now we're building some, not really dams, but trenches for the water to pass through so that more sand can collect and the water can drain. Because we live in a desert, we don't get that much water each year, so the plants are struggling to survive. So with the sand, it helps drain the water so they can get to their roots.
This structure has kept the sand here. And so we're gonna build more of them so that more sand builds up behind them, and then the creek can reach its floodplain. If the soil is wet for a week or 2 weeks, then these plants are gonna have like a healthy time of year. They'll grow, they'll put on wood, they'll grow their leaves, they might even bloom or make fruit. The plants love that, and so the longer you can keep that water around in the soil, the more the plants are going to get excited. And not only the plants, but the entire microbiome that lives in the soil. And so this is called a one rock dam. Why is it called a one rock dam? It's made out of so many rocks. It's called a one rock dam because it's one rock high.
So we're taking these rocks that you can see here, and we're moving them to make little strips of these like rock dam-like things, where we're putting them in the ground. And what they do is they slow down the flow of water so that more of the plants and the greenery around here can absorb them.
I feel like we're doing really good work and it's super fun and we're helping our environment a lot. Essentially, watershed management, we want to get youth, middle schoolers, high schoolers aware that land needs to be cared for, and showing them different techniques to do that. So building one rock dams is one way to care for the land.
The water usually just lands on the roads. So if it's on the roads, it will turn into flash floods, which we struggle with each year. So by helping using these trenches, we can help them guide into Rio Rito or any other places where water is meant to go.
Well, I would admit, if it was 106, I would not be out here today. But it's super nice out. It's 66, and it feels good to just be outside after a long day of school. We're learning how to work as a team. We're learning how to figure out how to problem solve, how to work with our hands, how to work physically instead of just working with our brains.
You gotta do a lot of projects, and I've never done this before, so it's like a fun new opportunity.
Yeah, so this is part of our service. So this is part of the NJHS service events.
So so far this year, we've collected over 1,000 items for more than a bed ride we had earlier this year. With that, we collected baby items, clothes for teens and kids, and also just regular items for kids such as toys.
Service events are different things that you are required to go to, where you just provide service and you help out to do different stuff for the community, and this is one of the things that we're doing.